Body sculpting just actually started 2 years ago, so it's kind of brand new. The surgical procedures have been very popular, but I think as people are starting to learn and hear about the non-invasive butt lift, it's becoming more popular.
My name is Breanna Davis, and today I'm getting a non-invasive butt lift. I'm getting the procedure done today for so many reasons. One reason is because I've always had a very petite body growing up. I love my body and I feel like I'm very proportional, especially for my height. But you know, I want a little oomph. I want some extra curves. My ideal butt is plump and just fluffy looking, like when you see it and you grab it and you know how your fingers kind of sink into a cushion. Some body insecurities that I've had in the past definitely came from me being so petite. And a lot of people might look at it and be like, girl, what are you complaining about? That's a blessing. But to be honest, when you're 27 and you look like you have a 17-year-old's body, you kind of don't have the confidence that a lot of other 20-something-year-olds have. This is not a procedure I've thought about doing, to be honest. It took seeing my friend get her results, and she's petite like me, so it gave me hope. I'm not an under the knife anesthesia type of person, so getting a non-invasive butt lift was the best option for me. It was kind of more reinforcement for me to explore the option.
My name is Sabrina Norton, and I am the owner of Bodacious. And today I will be performing 2 procedures, a non-invasive butt lift called Miss New Booty and a non-invasive Let's Get Wasted treatment. I started this procedure and working on my clients about 5 months ago. I had the procedure done myself and I fell in love with it, got training, got certified, and I just recommend doing everything you can before going under the knife. Working with Bodacious, I received different type of body types, from bigger women to smaller women and petite. When I work with smaller women, petite girls like Breanna, I have to, figure out what's gonna work best for my client. I recommend the non-invasive butt lift before, you go under the knife or do anything more permanent, just because I feel like we don't need the scars, you don't need any of that. Just see if this works for you.
Okay, well, I'm excited.
I'm excited for you.
What should I expect? I know you said like the cups are gonna suction my butt.
Yeah, so it's like the first few seconds when it's first sucking up your butt is the most uncomfortable. It doesn't hurt, it's painless.
Okay.
It's just uncomfortable because you haven't really felt that. Have you ever had anything like this before?
No.
So usually for my clients, the first few seconds is uncomfortable because it's sucking up your muscle, but then after that, you get used to it.
Okay, because I have a very low tolerance for pain.
Right, so I'll start at the lowest level for you, and then usually some clients they'll go up after they get used to it. But if you don't want to go up, we don't have to.
Okay, cool.
Yes,
let's get started.
So today's procedure, Breanna, she'll be laying down on the table. I start with ultrasound and cavitation. So I'll put the ultrasonic gel on my client and I'll grab the cavitation machine, and basically I'll probably put it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, do the slow motion circles over my client's abdomen area. And what that does is melt the fat pockets that is in my client's stomach. And then right after the cavitation, I'll follow it up with vacuum therapy. The vacuum suction cup, basically what it is, it's moving the melted fat down through the lymphatic section. Right after I use the vacuum therapy, I will use radio frequency, and what that is, it tightens the skin on where I just did the melting and where I just did the vacuuming. And then right after I do the radio frequency, probably about 15 minutes, then I'll perform wood therapy and use wood tools to also shape and contour my client's body. And then right after I finish the Let's Get Wasted treatment, I'll have my client flip over onto their stomach, and then I will start prepping their booty for the vacuum cups. As I'm prepping the booty, I put some oil on the area, then I'll use wood therapy to prep their booty and get it sitting perfectly for the cups. And then I will find the cups that fit my client and I will start the procedure. So basically the vacuum non-invasive butt lift, it sucks up the booty and the muscle, and as it sucks, it also releases. After sitting under the machine for about an hour, it's equivalent to like 1,500 squats. So I tell my clients it's not permanent results, but it's like a jump start to the gym. It's a jump start to get your body working out and get the results that you want.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Love it.
My butt feels a little sore. Feel like I went to the gym, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie, but it's not like a tight, uncomfortable feeling.
There aren't any risks at all. You get a little soreness, a little redness because it is sucking in your muscle. Some clients might have a little bit of bruising for like a day or two, but other than that, like no, there's no other serious risk.
So cute. It's so natural. You know, like how girls get their butts done and they look like black ants, like how the butt sticks up in the air? I don't look like that.
Oh my gosh, I see a difference.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Sabrina, you did that, girl. You did that. Bodylicious.
Very, very happy with the results. It's nice, it's plump, she's juicy, fresh kiss. It's like everything. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so subtle and natural looking.
I think it went amazing today. Bree is such a great client. Her body responds well to every different type of machine that I put on her body, and it's sculpted very well. Such plumpness on the top and bottom, and the results were amazing. So usually the results can last up to 5 days, or it can last up to a week or 3 weeks. I've had some clients come in 3 weeks later and still have the same results. I recommend clients to come in 3 to 5 times. I give you what I can as far as giving you the jump start, and it's the client's responsibility to go into the gym, keep working out, keep being healthy to maintain the results.
I would absolutely do this again, especially if I don't hold true to my promise of making sure that I go to the gym. Breanna took such great care of me. She explained everything. This was a great experience for my first time doing something so outside my comfort zone. I do feel more confident. The way my booty was jiggling when I got off the table gave me that extra oomph of confidence that I really needed.